Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, December 7th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please go ahead and post attendance. Free Spot Friday for those showing already growth will be during PE on December 17th. We will also draw teachers named for the growth prize on that day. Party day will be Friday, December 17th also, and it's going to be school-wide pajama day. So get those jams ready. Make sure, students, that your jams are school appropriate. No spaghetti straps, no nightgowns. You'll need to wear two-piece pajamas. Class parties will be held on that day also after 1 o'clock. Grades, make sure you are syncing your grades regularly. Grades books should also be printed regularly. Reading PLT has been canceled for December, the new date to be announced. Today's late duty is Miss Lee, tomorrow Miss Hogan, and Friday Miss Granger. Bring a toy to stuff the bus. Today is the last day, and we have what looks to be like a bajillion toys in the media center, which is awesome. So make sure that you send those toys to the media center first thing this morning, because I think our pickup is pretty early today. And don't forget, if you brought a toy, you can wear your Christmas shirt and jeans on Friday. Word of the day is standard form. Standard form is the common or usual way of writing a number using digits, also known as base 10 numeral form. So just the number we are used to writing. This number is 12,345, and you write it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Important dates. December 8th is the deadline for toy drive donations. That's today. Also today is PST for grades K through 2. So make sure you have your paperwork in order for your time. Tomorrow is the spelling bee. It will be at 1 o'clock in the media center. It will be broadcast to the school through a Google Meet for classrooms that would like to watch. December 10th, we will have toy drive. Participants can wear their Christmas shirt and jeans, door decoration judging day, and the pizza party for 4th and kindergarten. December 15th will be our PST for our upper grades 3 through 5. December 17th is the deadline for partnership conferences. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday.